This is how to bulk clone issues in Jira. From your Jira dashboard, select a project with issues, for instance, this mobile app, and these are the work type or issues. Just click this checkbox and it will select all issues, and then click this export button and choose export Excel CSV my defaults. Then we will create a project. So just click this plus icon and we will choose a project template, for instance, software development. Click import data to a new project and scroll down. You will see CSV. Select CSV and we will upload the CSV file we have exported earlier. And we'll click next. For project name, let's say clone of issues in bulk. So we will click next and we will map the fields, and these are all good to go, and we will click next and we will just choose exclude from import. So we have bug, story, and task, and click next. You can add users to your new project, or you can also choose not to and click next. And if these details are correct, you can proceed to import. And we'll wait for a few minutes for the importation to finish. Okay, now we have finished importing the CSV file for issues, and we have here the list of issues, and we will check our original project, and we have the same issues. So this is how to bulk export issues in Jira.